Hi, I am Arib. You are watching my YouTube channel. Transformer tank. The transformer tank, or the main tank, houses and protects the core, windings, and other components from the external environment. It serves as the container for the transformer oil. It is constructed from rolled steel plates or aluminum sheets. The following are present in large transformers insulated with hydrocarbon mineral oil. Conservator tank. The conservator is a tank that serves as the reservoir of the transformer oil and is located above the main tank and bushings. Transformer oil from the conservator is supplied to the main oil tank inside the transformer through a pipeline. The conservator has a flexible bladder that allows the expansion and contraction of the oil. It has an adequate space to allow the expansion of the oil during high ambient temperatures. The conservator is vented to the atmosphere to balance the pressure changes during the expansion and contraction of the oil by intaking or releasing air. Transformer oil. Transformer tank is completely filled with oil. Oil provides insulation and cooling. It is not ordinary oil to the winding, it is mineral oil. Bushings in transformers. Bushings are insulated barriers that contain the terminal that connects the current-carrying conductor from an electrical network to the ends of the transformer windings. The bushing insulation is typically made from porcelain or epoxy resin. The bushings are mounted over the main tank.